Hello, I'm Michelle from Protein Software. I will introduce you to UPN Management in Account Manager for Microsoft 365, known as AMM365. For those who do not know, AMM365 is software for preparing and managing your Active Directory accounts whether or not they are synchronized with Microsoft 365. To find out more, I invite you to visit our website www.am365.com or check out our other videos. In Windows Active Directory, a user principal name, UPN, is the name of a system user in email address format. In the case of synchronization with Azure AD Connect, it is recommended that the user identifier corresponds to his email address. For example, in our case, the UPN is kaya@contoso.priv, and the email address is kaya@contoso.com. The UPN suffix, contoso.priv, does not match the email domain. It is not possible to modify it directly without having added the suffix in the Active Directory. AMM365 offers the ability to add or modify UPN suffixes in a simple and intuitive interface. Enter your UPN suffix, then hit Add. From this moment, at the AD level, you will be able to add the correct suffix to your user. You can do the same with the Active Directory part of AMM365. Click the Active Directory tab, then choose the OU. We see that the UPN is identical to the email address attribute as well as the proxy addresses parameter. It is also possible with AMM365 to directly modify UPN manually on the user file. Changing the UPNs of all accounts can become a time-consuming and tedious task. Not to mention the chances of errors and if you are not comfortable with scripts. Protein Software has thought of you by adding the ability to securely bulk modify the UPNs of an entire OU in just a few clicks. Choose your OU, let's take our OU accounting. Then you can target a suffix to replace. Then choose the replacement UPN suffix from the list. There is also the possibility of making an exception, or we will copy the email address as UPN. Let's click on Test to check the changes that will be made. This ensures that there will be no errors. In testing, no changes will be made to the Active Directory. We can see that our UPN suffixes contoso.priv will be changed to contoso.com. After verification, click on Go to validate the changes. To keep track of changes made, you can save the log to a text file. Let's check user accounts together. All the UPNs of my OU have been changed. This is how AMM365 can help you and save you time for your various Office 365 migration projects, or for a change of UPN when adding or removing a suffix. Do not hesitate to ask us your questions or give your opinions directly on our site and to visit our other videos online. Thank you and see you soon at www.am365.com.